Caldwell, New Jersey's on your radar? Well, this is the perfect video for you. Whether you're looking to house hack by purchasing a multifamily in a really nice small town, or maybe you're looking to escape NYC and buy that forever home, this is the perfect video for you to understand a little bit more about what's going on in Caldwell, New Jersey. It's beautiful downtown with amazing restaurants and everything else that New Jersey has to offer. Stay tuned to check out a little bit more of what's happening here in Caldwell. My name is Shawn McEnteer. I'm the team leader of the Living in North Jersey real estate team. You know the story. I'm getting phone calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to buy, make their move in the Garden State. So whether you're looking to make that move in 9 days or 90 days, it doesn't make a difference. Reach out, let's have a conversation, book a time on my calendar below, and I'm happy to have a call with you. Today's video is going to be geared towards learning a little bit more about Caldwell so you understand what's happening in town. But this is perfect if you're looking to house hack, because my wife and I have house hacked in town before, which was a really awesome experience. And if you're looking for that forever home, or you just want to move into town, you know Caldwell's on your radar. If you don't know what the term house hacking is, not a big deal. I'll put a video in the description below that dives a little bit deeper with that. But really, this is all about learning about Caldwell so you can make a decision that is best for you. So right behind me is actually the house that our second house hack my wife and I purchased, which was really cool because at the end of the day, we loved this town so much because of the food and the small town community vibes where I kid you not, the kids, they all walk to school. There's no buses in town, so whether you are elementary, middle, or high school, you know, it's really cool having a town that is small proximity to one another. So you know you're walking to school every day, which was great. We'd walk on the street up to the elementary school to get my son into preschool and kindergarten, which was really fun. So having that type of vibe, that's something you're looking for. This is a good town for that. What we loved here though the most is the food. I kid you not, Caldwell has it all, from the Italian cuisine to the specialty restaurants, whether it is a fat fish taco. Oh my goodness, love the cuisine there. My wife and I kid you not, we would buy it once a week at least. Then you got Dave's Sandwich Shop, which makes some amazing sandwiches, really high quality, fresh meats, fresh bread, spot on. Calandra's Bakery is right up the street. You can't go wrong there, whether you're looking to dine in, get some bread, or host a party. It is a massive facility that has a little bit of it all. And then you got Tony D's for pizza. They are rated on Barstool, very highly rated, so good. Oh my goodness, just make me thinking about this, my mouth is watering. Forte Pizzeria is right up the street. I love their buffalo chicken slice, one of the best in New Jersey. And then the cuisine, Stephanie's Restaurant, La Familia. Oh my goodness, you'll get lost in this town when it comes to eating food because there is so much of it. And then you got, if you want to go out for drinks, you've got Cloverleaf, which is an amazing Irish style bar, which has, you know, the jumbo pretzel, the nachos, the wings. The wings are amazing. Oh my goodness, love them. And then if you really just want to go out for just flat out drinks and a good time at night, you know, some live bands, all that kind of stuff, you have Ringside Pub, which is very good, very good place. So learning a little bit more about Caldwell, you know, what's great about this town is there's such a nice mix of single families and multifamilies. You know, I got a multifamily right here next to me, kind of tough to see there. And then I got these multis right here behind me. But as you go a little bit further out, you start getting to single families, which you'll see over here. Really, you can accommodate for whatever type of home that you're looking for, whether you want that multi or a single family. It's all there. And what's great about this is it's such close proximity to Bloomfield Ave, which is the main stretch where all the restaurants and everything, nightlife is happening. So, you know, you can go down to Bloomfield and very, very easily, go to wherever you want to eat, enjoy your nightlife, have a good time. But the town is literally all off of Bloomfield Avenue. So it's extremely easy to walk and get places. You have both elementary schools are on each side of Bloomfield Avenue. So, if you're on one side, you go to one of the schools, you're on the other side of the other school. But it's a very, very walkable town, as you can see right now with where we're going. I'm literally walking the path I'd take my kid to school, which is cool. So as you see here, you start getting a lot more properties going down this way, where you're going to see more single-family homes the further away you get from town. And then there's some beautiful properties, all different price ranges. I would say, you're probably going to be, it's tough to be under the $500,000 marker in town, but you're going to find anywhere from the 500s all the way up into the millions here in Caldwell. But I just want you to see this amazing sidewalks, everything that's happening, because I know you're probably watching from a computer at home or whatever it is. Maybe you're on the couch enjoying it. But why don't you drop a comment below? Let me know where you're watching from, because I'm always curious to know. I actually had some clients reach out from Colorado. They were watching from their couch, which is pretty cool. I was like, that's awesome. Enjoying the show a little bit. But yeah, continuing this tour some more, we're going to be checking out some other parts of Caldwell. And I have a really, really awesome surprise, especially for those of you that have kids that are going to want to, wonder what you can do with the children on the weekends and everything like that. So I got a special spot we're going to go to in a little bit as well. There we are, Caldwell. Moving on to one of our next destinations on our Caldwell tour here. Something you know a little bit about Caldwell is it is the birthplace of the 22nd and 24th President Grover Cleveland. So we are here at Grover Cleveland Park in Caldwell, and look at these beautiful cherry blossom trees. Now this is one of the ideal locations for bringing the family. The playground here, I kid you not, it's massive. It is a beautiful playground, super safe. It's got the padded cushiony surface, it's got slides, it's got the jungle gym, it's got everything that a child is looking for in a playground. So we'd bring our kids here all the time just to enjoy ourselves. But this is a little bit more about what the park has, and one of the things to do here in Caldwell. So this is a beautiful stream here, check that out. Runs through the whole park. Then it's got walking trails and all that kind of stuff. So this is ideal. You want to play some pickleball, that's right back there, and tennis. I know pickleball is huge right now, but they're playing as we speak. It's got some competition going on, tournament. So if you want that social life where you're going out and playing pickleball on a nice morning, then we've got you covered here in Caldwell. But a little bit more about Caldwell, some things that you want to know about is there is a Caldwell University. I don't want to scare you. This is not a party town. It's not a huge, wild and crazy university like you might be thinking. But it is a nice university in town. So if you ever want to go to like athletic events, from the soccer team, baseball, softball, basketball, they've got all that. And that is just a stone throw away in town. And then obviously you have the local high school sports and all that going on. So Caldwell went very far this year in the football playoffs for the state, which was cool, seeing them play. Beautiful day. This is spring in Caldwell. Where else would you rather be with the kids than a nice park like this? A little bit more here about Caldwell and what it has to offer. We are right off of Route 280. That is the major highway that is closest proximity to Caldwell. Say about 30 minutes, give or take, with traffic to Newark International Airport. That's going to be your major airport for wherever you need to go, business related or traveling, all that kind of stuff. And then we are about 23 miles west of New York City. So getting into the city is pretty easy. There's tons of bus lines, especially on the Bloomfield Ave, where you can take a bus right into the city and then driving in isn't too bad at all. I've done that plenty of times when my wife and I used to live here in Caldwell. Commuting to the city was a breeze, wasn't any too much trouble. If you need to take a train, you're not too far from that Montclair line, so you can hop on the train as well if need be. But Caldwell proximity, a very, very good location, and always happy for commuting and all those purposes that you know, you need to accommodate for. Hey, that's a wrap on today's video, but maybe Caldwell wasn't for you and you want to learn a little bit more about some other towns in northern New Jersey. I'm going to put a couple links in the description below, so if you want to learn a little bit more about Denville, Montville, maybe Mountain Lakes, all these towns, by all means, click some of the links below and you'll be able to see those videos so you can learn a little bit more about towns, and you don't have to worry about getting up off the couch. Just sit back, have a glass of wine, grab a bucket of popcorn, enjoy the show. But I make it simple for you guys. I'll see you on the next video, and make sure to click subscribe so you can be the first to know about new videos when they get released in northern New Jersey real estate.